Hello, today you see how I made this promo video.
I get those goosebumps every time you come around, yeah. Love me, say that you love me.
That was cool, wasn't it? Master of 4 Bang Strikes has arrived. I shall perish. This video is demonetized, swear I know. So be sure to like and subscribe. Yes sir, I know you noticed why. Changing the voice. Well, I got bored of that lecturing professor's voice. This one sounds cool, so why not? This video also concern music producers. It'd be unfair if I didn't use this voice. IFYKYK. So, before we proceed to the video, do not skip or else you'll miss free giveaway. The video you just saw was made for my friend T3NZU, or is it Tenzu? Let me know in the comments. He has released his first ever sample pack called Night Drift, and believe me, the sample pack has really dope Brazilian bass and slap house samples and Serum presets for your music production. Be sure to check out this pack, and if you decide to buy it before the 1st of April, you will earn this free chickapoo, and you can do whatever you want with it. It is very convenient to use it as okay. So I made the package design inside Photoshop. At this point I had no idea what I was going to make, but it turned out pretty good. So I'll leave you here to see the process while I design. We'll catch up soon as we proceed to animation in After Effects. Till then, sit back and watch the satisfying process of design. Let's start. Omaiwa, Mu, Shindaru, Ba. So this was the first section. We have finalized the pack design. It's time for the animation. We are gonna use Adobe After Effects for this. Enjoy the animation process. We'll catch up soon. And this is the final result. I hope you like it. Don't forget to check out Tenzu's channel. You gonna love his music. Also check out the sample pack he has released. I'll get back with another video or tutorial. Till then, goodbye.